Video we are going to discuss about N-Queen's problem using backtracking. N-Queen's problem is one of the important application of backtracking. So backtracking is an algorithm design strategy. Here let us assume that n by n chessboard is given. So here our main aim is we have to place n queens on the corresponding chessboard in such a way that no two queens under attack. No two queens under attack. Here totally there are three conditions are there. The first condition is two queens cannot be on the same row. Cannot be on same row. The second condition is two queens cannot be on same column. The third condition is two queens cannot be on same diagonal. So by following these three conditions, we have to place the corresponding n queens on the chessboard. So let us solve the problem for let n is equal to 1, next n is equal to 2, next n is equal to 3, next n is equal to 4. In the next video, we will solve about 8 by 8 chessboard problem, 8 by 8 queens problem. So first let us solve about 1 queen problem. Okay. So 1 by 1 chessboard. So let us consider 1 by 1 chessboard. So 1 by 1 chessboard means we can have only one row and only one column. So only one row, only one column. So here how many queues we have to place here? Here we have to place n queues. Here the size of the n is 1. Okay. So directly we can place the corresponding queue on the corresponding row and column. So this is called as trivial solution. Trivial solution means this is the only solution that we will get here. Okay. So in this way we can solve 1 by 1 chessboard problem. Now let us consider 2 by 2 chessboard. So 2 by 2 means we can have two rows. So this is the first row, this is the second row. First row, second row. And this is the first column and second column. So let us see whether we can solve this problem or not. So 2 by 2 chessboard means we have to place two queens in the corresponding chessboard. Let the first queen is denoted by Q1, second queen is denoted by Q2. So let us place Q1 in first row, first column. Next, can we place Q2 here? No, we can't place. Why? Because here the first condition is two queens cannot be on the same row. So we can't place Q2 here. Okay. Next, can we place Q2 here? No, it is not possible. Why? Because if we place Q2 here, then Q1 and Q2 will lies in the same column. So they will be under the attack. So it's not possible. Next, can we place Q2 here? We can't place Q2 here. Why? Because if you place here, then these two elements will become diagonal elements. So diagonal elements will also be under the attack. Okay. So there is no solution if you use 2 by 2 chessboard. Now let us take 3 by 3 chessboard. So 3 by 3 chessboard means we can have 3 rows. So this is the first row, second row, third row, first row, second row, third row. Next first column, second column, third column. So now how many queens we have to place here? We have to place 3 queens. Why? Because the size of the chessboard is 3 by 3. So let us place Q1 in the first row, first column. Next, we can't place Q2 in the first row, second column, in the first row, third column. Why? Because if we place here, then these two will become under the same row. Okay, same row means they will be under the attack. Okay. Next, can we place Q2 here? No, it is not possible. Why? Because if you place Q2 here, then same column. Next, can we place Q2 here? No. Why? Because same diagonal, same diagonal. Next, can we place here? Yeah, there is no problem. We can place Q2 here. Next, let us find out the position for Q3. Can we place Q3 here? No. Why? Because same column. Next, can we place Q3 here? No. Same diagonal. Next, can we place Q3 here? No. Same column. Same column. We can't place. So we can say that there is no solution even if we use 3 by 3 chessboard. Now let us solve the problem for 4 by 4 chessboard as well as its state space tree. In the next video, we will see about 8 queens problem, that is 8 by 8 chessboard. Okay. So here totally 3 conditions are there. Okay. 2 queens, no 2 queens are under the same row, same column, same diagonal. Okay. If they lay like that, then they are said to be under the attack. Now let us consider 4 by 4 chessboard. Let us consider 4 by 4 chessboard. So number of rows are 4, number of columns are 4. So let us consider 4 by 4 chessboard. So first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Next first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So now what is our target? We have to place 4 queens in the corresponding chessboard such that no 2 queens under the attack. So let us place Q1 in first row, first column. Next, we can't place Q2 in the first row. Why? Because if you place Q2 in this cell, in this cell, in this cell, then they will be under the same row. Okay. Next, can we place Q2 here? No. Why? Because same column. Next, can we place Q2 here? Q2 here? No. Same diagonal. Next, can we place Q2 here? Yeah, there is no problem. Okay. Why? Because these two elements are not on the same row, not on the same column, as well as not on the same diagonal. So let us place Q3 here. Can we place Q3 here? No. If you place Q3 here, then same row. Okay. So those 2 queens will be under the attack. Next, can we place Q3 here? No. Same column. Next, can we place Q3 here? No. Why? Because same diagonal. Next, can we place Q3 here? No. Why? Because same column. Can we place Q3 here? No. Why? Because same diagonal. So there is no proper position in order to place Q3. In that occasion, we have to backtrack to its previous queen. So we have to backtrack to its previous queen. So Q2 is placed in second row, third column. So here we have another possibility is there, that is second row, fourth cell. So let us place Q2 in second row, fourth cell. Second row, fourth cell. Next, let us find out the position for Q3, where we can place Q3 in the third row. So can we place Q3 here? No. Why? Because same column. Next, can we place Q3 here? There is no problem. Okay. Why? Because Q1 and Q3 are not on the same row, not on the same column, and not the diagonal elements. So likewise, Q2 and Q3 are not under the attack. Let us find out the position for Q4. So can we place Q4 here? No. Why? Because same row. So let us place in the next row. So can we place Q4 here? No. Why? Because Q1 and Q4 are same column elements and Q3 and Q4 are diagonal elements. Next, can we place Q4 here? No. Why? Because same column. Next, can we place Q4 here? No. Why? Because diagonal elements. Next, can we place Q4 here? No. Why? Because Q2 and this element will become what? Same column elements. So there is no position for placing Q4 in the chessboard. So if there is no solution, then what we have to do? We have to backtrack to its previous queen. So Q3 is available in second row, the second cell. So there are 2 other choices are there. So let us try for that. Okay. So can we place Q3 in second row, third cell? It's not possible. Why? Because these 2 will become same diagonal elements. Next, can we place Q3 here? No. Why? Because Q2, Q3 will become same row, same column elements. So there is no position for placing Q3 in the chessboard. In that occasion, we have to backtrack to its previous queen. We have to backtrack to its previous days or state. If you backtrack to its previous state, here all the possibilities of Q2 are over. All the 4 possibilities are over. So now we have to backtrack to its previous queen. So that is Q1. Okay. Q1 is actually placed at first row, first cell. So let us try for the second alternative. Let us place Q1 at first row, second cell. Next, we can't place Q2 in the next two cells. Why? Because if you place like that, then they will be in under the attack. Next, can we place Q2 here? No. Why? Because these two will become diagonal elements. Can we place Q2 here? No. Why? Because these two will become same column elements. Can we place Q2 here? No. Why? Because these two are diagonal elements. Can we place Q2 here? Yeah, there is no problem. Okay. So we can place Q2 here. Okay. Next, let us place Q3. So what is the next position? Third row, first set. So can we place Q3 here? No problem. So there is no attack for Q1, Q3 with respect to Q1, Q3 with respect to Q2. Okay. Next, let us find out the position for Q4. Can we place Q4 here? No. Why? Because same row. So let us place Q4 in the last row. Can we place Q4 here? No. Why? Because same column. Can we place Q4 here? No. Same column as well as same diagonal. Next, can we place Q4 here? Yeah, there is no problem. Okay. There is no problem. So there is no attack. Q4 with respect to Q1, Q3 and Q4. So here the solution is represented with the help of solution vector. Solution vector is represented with the help of x1, x2, x3, x4. Here x1 is nothing but first column, x2 means second column, x3 means third column, x4 means fourth column. Okay. So first x1 is nothing but with respect to Q1. Okay. So where we place the Q1? So Q1 is present in the second column. So x1 means 2. So here x1 means with respect to Q1. So where we have placed the Q1? So Q1 is placed in the second column. Next, x2 means in which column we have placed second queen. So second queen is placed in fourth column. So the column number is 4. Next, x3. x3 means third queen. So third queen is placed in first column. So 1. So x4 means fourth queen. Fourth queen is placed in which column? Third column. So 2, 4, 1, 3. So 2, 4, 1, 3 is the solution. Where 2 represents first column is placed in, first queen is placed in second column. 4 represents second queen is placed in fourth column. 1 specifies that third queen is placed in first column. This 3 specifies that fourth queen is placed in third column. Next, we have another solution is also there. That is nothing but mirror image. So if we reverse 2, 4, 1, 3, then what is the output? 3, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2. 3, 1, 4, 2. So 3, 1, 4, 2 means first queen is placed in third column. Next, second queen is placed in first column. Next, third queen is placed in fourth column. Third queen is placed in fourth column. Next, fourth queen is placed in second column. Second column. Okay. So 3, 1, 4, 2. 3, 1, 4, 2. 3, 1, 4, 2. Okay. If you observe here, so those queens are not under the attack. So these two are the solutions. Now let us draw state space tree. What is state space tree? State space tree means it contains all the possible solutions. So let us draw state space tree. So state space tree means it contains all the possible moves. So it is a tree. We know what is a tree. Tree means a collection of nodes. The first node is called as root node. So this is the root node. Let us see the problem here. So this is our problem. So here we have a 4x4 chessboard is there. So 4x4 chessboard is there. So here the solution vector is represented with the help of x1, x2, x3, x4. So let us consider x1. So what is x1 value? So here let us consider x1. So x1 means first column elements. Yeah, x1. So we can place x1 in first row first column, or first row second column, or first row third cell, or first row fourth cell. Okay, so x1 is equal to 1. So it means that we placed we placed the q1 in first cell, or we can have three more alternatives are there. So x1 is equal to 2 means x1 is equal to 2 means we placed q1 in first row second cell. X1 is equal to 3 means we placed x1, we placed the q1 in the first row third cell. X1 is equal to 4 means we placed q1 in first row fourth cell. Next, let us assume that q1 is placed in the first row first cell. Next, where we can place q2? Here it is not possible to place q2 here. Why? Because these two are under the same row. Next, here we are not checking any condition. Blindly we are drawing the diagram. So we can place queen 2 either in first row second cell, or second row third cell, or second row fourth cell. So totally three possibilities are there for x2. So x2 means queen 2. So queen 2 can be placed in what is the column number? This one 2. So x2 is equal to 2, or it can be placed in second row third cell, or it can be placed in second row fourth cell. Okay. Next, if we observe here, let us assume that we place the q2 here. Next, where we can place q3? We can't place in this position. So we can place in these two positions. So x3 means it may be either third row third cell, or third row fourth cell. Let us assume that q3 is placed here. Next, where we can place q4? Q4 can be placed in this position. So what is x4 here? X4 means 1. X4 means 1. If we observe here, every path contains all the queens, all the cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If we observe here, so 1 is covered, 2 is covered, next 4 is covered, next we have to cover 3. So x4 is equal to 3. Okay. Next, if we observe here, let us assume that it is at this position. So what are the remaining positions? So 1 is over, 3 is over. So 1 is over, 3 is over. So the left out cells are 2 and 4. So x3 can be either 3, or x3 can be 4. Okay. So 1 is over, here 3 is over. So what are the left out cells? 2 and 4. So 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay. If we observe here, what is x4? 1 is over, 3 is over, 2 is over. So fourth one, x4 is equal to 4. If we observe this position, 1 is over, 3 is over, 4 is over. So what is the next position? 2. If we observe here, 1 is over, 4 is over. So the left out cells are 2 and 3. So x3 can be either 2 or 3. If we observe this path, 1 is over, 4 is over, 2 is over. So what is the next one? x4 is equal to 3. Next, if we observe this path, 1 is over, 4 is over, 3 is over, 1, 4, 3 is over. So the next one is 2. So likewise, we can draw the entire diagram. So let us, for x1 is equal to 2, for x1 is equal to 3, for x1 is equal to 4 also we have to draw the diagram. For space constraints, what I am doing is, I am drawing for x1 is equal to 3 only. Likewise, you can draw for x1 is equal to 2 as well as x1 is equal to 4 also. Here 3 is over. So what are the remaining positions? Remaining cells 1, 2, 4. It specifies that let us assume that q1 is placed in first row third cell. Then where we can place q2? Second row first cell, or second row second cell, or second row fourth cell. So it specifies that x2 can be either 1, or x2 can be either 2, or x2 can be either 4. Next, let us assume that x2 is placed here. If queen 2 is placed here, then where we can place q3? Where we can place q3? So we can't place here, we can't place here. Okay. So we can place either in third row second cell or third row fourth cell. So 3 1 is over. Okay. We can place either in third row second cell. So that means x3 is equal to 2, or we can place either in fourth cell, second cell or fourth cell, second cell or fourth cell. So x3 is equal to 4. Okay. So likewise, 3 2 is over. So what are the left out cells? Left out cells. X3 is equal to 3 2 is over. So 1 or x3 is equal to 4. If you consider here, if you consider this path, what is x4? What is x4? What is x4? What is x4? So 3 1 2 is over. So 4. Next to 3 1 4 is over. So 3 1 4 is over 2. Next, if you consider this one, so 3 2 1 is over. 3 2 1 is over. So 4. Next, if you observe here, so 3 2 4 is over. So the next one is 1. So likewise, we can draw for x2 is equal to 4 also. So 4 means here 3 is over, 4 is over. So what is x3? x3 can be either 1 or x3 can be either 2. So 3 is over, 4 is over. So next, what are x4 values? 3 is over, 4 is over, 1 is over. So 2. So here what is x4 value? 3 is over, 4 is over, 2 is over. So 1. Okay. So in this way we can draw state space tree. State space tree means it contains all the possible combinations. So this is about 4 queens problem and its state space tree. In the next video we are going to discuss about